Conversation 1. How about coming with us?
Hi, Masato.
Hi, Debbie. How's it going?
I'm okay. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Listen, have you heard about the new Thai restaurant over on University Avenue?
Do you mean the Bangkok?
That's the one. A bunch of us are going over there for dinner tomorrow night. How about coming with us?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great. I'll call and make a reservation.
Anytime after 6 o'clock is good for me. Oh, I'm late. I have to go to class.
All right. I'll call you tonight and tell you the time.
Great. Talk to you then.
Conversation 2. Why don't we meet there?
Hello?
Hello, could I speak to Masato, please?
Speaking.
Oh, hi, Masato. This is Karen Harris. We met at Chris and Jim's party.
Of course. How are you?
Great. Masato, would you like to see the Rocket Dogs on Thursday night? They're at the Garage Club.
Oh, I'm sorry, Karen, but I can't. I have to work late this Thursday.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, I really like the Rocket Dogs.
Actually, are you doing anything on Friday or Saturday? They're playing those 2 nights as well.
Well, I can't make it on Friday either. But I'm free on Saturday night. What time does it start?
At 8 sharp. How about meeting in front of the club at about 7:15?
That sounds perfect. And let's go out for coffee after the show.
Sure.
Okay. See you at 7:15 Saturday.